All right, guys. Now remember, when we do these essays, we usually try to take text evidence. We also usually just try to take one story to make it a little bit easier on us. So I'm going to change this question up again so we don't have to compare these. How are the themes of the Babushka and the night before alike? Support your answer with clear text evidence. What is the theme of, and then you could pick Babushka or the night before. Again, here's how we set it up. First of all, we're going to have our topic sentence, and then we're going to answer our question, what is the theme? And then you're going to have your support sentence number 1. So point 1 and then support, point 2 and support, point 3 and support, and then your conclusion. Okay? What is the theme of the Babushka? Okay, so the first sentence is going to be your topic sentence. Make sure you indent here like this. And we would want to say something about the theme. I have 3 different points that will support the theme of this story. Now let's tell what the theme is. So there's my topic. I told you what I'm going to write about. And now here comes my theme. Now if I go back, I don't know what you guys had done, but I knew it was an A, right? And you can learn from your mistakes. I don't know what that was about. And to have a friend, you must be a friend. So there was only one that really made any sense. Families love and support each other. And so I chose that as my theme. So now I'm just going to state that here in my second sentence. My topic sentence done. Here comes my theme sentence. The theme of the Babushka is that, now I'm copying it right from here, that families love and support each other. Now I need to show this. How do families love and support each other? Well, first of all, I'm going to put it in. Point 1 should be my words. And then text evidence. So I'm going back to the story about the Babushka. Now remember, it was the cold, freezing cold winter, and Mary was walking to school. And so what happened here? Well, Mary's mother would tie her own babushka or handkerchief under Mary's chin. The babushka was large and colorful. In spite of the freezing weather, Mary could feel the warmth of the soft babushka. She imagined the touch of her mother's hand. The babushka made Mary feel cozy and safe. There's my first point, right? If families love and support each other, this is obvious. Mary's mother, my own words, Mary's apostrophe S, mother, protected, capital M on Mary, from the cold winters by giving her a babushka. I thought I was done saying that hard word to pronounce. Babushka. So those are my words. So I got point number 1. I found it right here. I put it in my own words. Now I'm going to choose some text evidence. I'm going to copy their words. It says, or it is written, or I found on page, it says, comment. Now here's what it's going to say. It says on page 103, 301, I read it backwards, sorry, 301, paragraph number 1. Now here it comes. I got to choose what I'm going to do. Mary could feel the warmth of her mother's soft babushka. Maybe I picked that one. The babushka made Mary feel cozy and safe. I'm going to pick that one. It says, Mary felt cozy and safe with her mother's babushka on. Now, I know you guys don't have highlighters at home, so you can do it with your pencils, but you got to box it up. Here it comes on page 301, paragraph number 1. There it is. I have to have 3 text evidence to ace my essay. So I did the topic, I did the theme, I got my first point, and then support. Text evidence, word for word. Take it right out of the text evidence. Now you got to do that 2 more times. You got to find your own my words first, then text evidence. And then my words, and then text evidence. And then your conclusion is going to sound a lot like the top. The theme of the story was that families love and support each other. These women loved and supported each other. That was what your conclusion was going to sound like. Now, should we help you find 2 more? Well, Mary came to the United States, and babushka was one of the first things she brought with her. She landed a job as a cook in the restaurant and served Polish food. Mary would stand in the kitchen all day and make cabbage with rice. The city where Mary lived was severe winters. Mary wore her mother's babushka. Here it is. I'm going to use my own words. This is point number 2. She wore her mother's babushka every day. The weather reminded her of the winters of Poland. The babushka reminded her of her mother. Point number 2, when she moved away from her mom, my words, when she moved away from her mom, she still felt close to mom by wearing the babushka. Then the next sentence, that's a period. Here comes on page 301, paragraph number 2, and now exact words. The babushka reminded Mary of her mother. Okay? All right, well then obviously point number 3 is about the girl that went off to college. But I'm not going to tell you all that. I want you to look for yourself. You must have 9 sentences for an A+. I gave you 4. You got 5 more to do. I showed you where to find point 2 and its support with text evidence. You really got to come up with just 1 point in the text evidence and a conclusion. Should be pretty basic, pretty easy. I know you can do it. Do a great job. No shortcuts. God bless your day.